Oh, we got us some chicken. Jay, if you guys would like to subscribe, trying to build the channel up, let's get some chicken. Alright, if you've never had the world famous chicken and fresh kitchen shit here, like Royal Farms has some legit chicken. Like, you could really throw their chicken in the ring. Like, it's not bad at all. Yeah, let's get some chicken. I was gonna get Burger King. I'm like, like I parked right on your road and I walked over. I said to hell with it. I'm not getting Burger King. I'm getting some chicken. Coming out. You're welcome. So, what we got here? I like tenders. That's my favorite. Chicken tenders. I don't want chicken tender meal. I just want tenders. See, I'll buy the piece. Spicy. How many would you like? Let's do 3. Ranch. Continue. And then I'll do 3. Shit. What do I do here? Alright, there we go. Continue order. Alright, there we go. Buy the piece. Spicy. Continue. 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 Let's see. Add more items. I want to try one of their breasts. Their breasts look pretty good. Let's get a breast. Add more items. Chicken. See what else they have. They got any wing? Ooh, they got the. I like the whole wing. Get one whole wing. What else they got? I don't think I want anything else. That's enough. Alright. Back. Alright. Cancel. Complete my order. Alright. Get us some chicken. Krispy Kremes. Timmy Tough Nuts. If you're looking for a good drink, these Rock Stars, oh my god, they're so good. They have a blue can. I got a blue can out in my truck. It's really good. But you got to get the recovery one. It's got to be the receiver. It says recovery. Got to get the recovery one. Get some alcohol. Yeah, I keep looking for this drink. It was a non-dairy chocolate milk. It was so good. And Black Rifle. Oh, they got Black Rifle. I don't need any, or I'd get some. I don't need any more for the day. Let's see what they got for ice cream. Good selection of ice cream. Oh, they got chocolate peanut butter. It's my favorite. You don't see it anywhere anymore. I'm getting it. I'll eat that fucker out in the truck before I go anywhere. Yes, sir. It's my favorite ice cream. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. There, I'll hold it going in for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Alright. So, we got some chicken. And we got some ice cream. And we got our Rock Stars. So, there you go. How about that shit? The sheriff's van. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, I parked there so I could go in there and get. I like the Bacon King with no mayo and extra ketchup with pickles on it, extra pickles. It's friggin' delicious. It's a hell of a good sandwich. But I had one yesterday and it was so good that I was like, you know what? I think I'm gonna get another one today. Nope, we got us some chicken. All right, let's go eat some chicken. And although I don't recommend parking right along the road like this, especially just to get yourself some lunch. Sometimes you ain't got much choice in the matter. I mean, unless you want to go eat truck food or truck stop food, then you know. I don't know, it's nice to mix it up every once in a while and try something a little different. Alright, here we go. This is the not spicy. That's the spicy, you can really smell the spice. And then there's your wing or breast. Oh, it looks so good. Let's see. It's really freaking good. Like, it's really, really good. Like, I'm kind of dreading that I got the damn spicy now. Like, it is what it is. I'll eat it. But that regular, oh man, that's salty, delicious. No, you don't even need a ranch or you don't need to do nothing with that. Just eat it. Oh my god, that is so good. That is so freaking good. Oh my god. All right, let's check out this spicy bitch here. Like, that meat is so white. Still trying to get through that other piece. Like, I hope it's not terrible spicy. It's got a little kick. It's got a little kick. I should have got all three the other way. You might need a little ranch with that one. Just unless you like really spicy shit. Like, it's not even like overpowering. Oh my god, I need a drink right now. I mean, I only had a little bite, so yeah, it's good. It's really good. I mean, I'm getting this, like, this is my supper for later. I'm just taking a bite and making a video quick. All right, let's check out this winger. This winger looks good. I'm assuming the breading's the same on that. Really good. Really freaking good. Juicy. Very juicy. Very good. Very good. If you've never had Royal Farms chicken, dude, you're missing out. It is very, very good. Like, legit good. This stuff is, I highly recommend checking out Royal Farms chicken. It says world famous, you know, or whatever it is. There's some in PA, but none up where I grew up at and where I live at. There's none up there. I'm down in York, PA, and there's a few floating around here. I think that's more of a southern Maryland area. I had it before down in Delaware. Down in Delaware, there was a place where I parked along the road just like this and walked over and got some chicken. So I already knew it was good. I just never really made a video or talked about it before. But yeah, it's good shit. Got it. Very good, very white, very pretty, very good looking. Definitely spicy. Beautiful meat. Very good, very good, very good stuff. Good job, Royal Can. Or I keep wanting to call it Royal Cans, Royal Farms. Let's see if I can set this up here and get a little picture here. Yeah, how about that? We'll do that. It's gonna be my picture here. See if we can get it. Boom. Boom, just like that. We got ourselves a freaking picture for the front of the video. Like and subscribe. Really appreciate it, guys. Peace.